My Discord server is literally dead right now. Hello and what's up? Welcome back to Apple Today, the show that gives and speculates all the latest Apple news you care about quicker. Oh, also, Yearcast episode 1 is out, which you can find stupid stuff about me and me being dumb, which you can listen on Spotify or Anchor. Alright, let's talk news which we do not have much at the moment. Alright, so first up for the day, we do not have much stories over the past week, but we finally no longer have to see a 21.5-inch Intel iMac on sale ever again because it's discontinued. Alright, let's just actually get to the leaks we have now. Alright, so what we have today is 2 leaks about the Mac. First, according to Angel Alexander, Apple is still working on the next Intel Mac Pro that will have new Intel Xeon chip configurations without any change or price increase. And that second leak is related to the bigger sized iMac, which according to Dylan KT, the current naming candidate for the bigger sized iMac is the iMac Pro, replacing the 27-inch Intel iMac. And basically, he almost leaked everything about the new iMac, which he expects mini LED with a 120Hz display, which follows up Ross Young's report, and the hybrid design of a 24-inch iMac and Pro Display XDR, which I believe should be a 27-inch to 32-inch display. In terms of hardware specifications, he expects base configuration to be 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. It'll also have M1 Pro and M1 Max configurations, but should have more than the new MacBook Pros, which I can assume either 2 to 4 processors inside the iMac Pro. Black bezels, same ports as the new MacBook Pros, which should have HDMI, SDXC card slot, and USB-C, and may get Face ID. Price should start around $2,000. It should also get an Ethernet jack on the brick, and should be released on first half of 2022, also following Ross Young's report. And unfortunately, that is everything, unless I missed something. I'll see you in the next video.
Do you